First, we're starting with the basics, fixing the stands and securing them in place with screws. This foundation is key to making sure everything else fits perfectly. Next, we move on to installing the CPU body itself, followed by attaching the brackets to hold everything firmly in place. Then comes one of the most important steps: installing the power supply. This part provides the juice for your entire setup, so we'll make sure it's connected properly. After that, we'll plug in the cables to ensure everything communicates seamlessly. Now it's time for the motherboard, the heart of your system. We'll carefully position and secure it. Once that's done, we'll apply thermal paste to the CPU. This is crucial for keeping your system cool and running efficiently. After that, we'll mount the fan, which works in tandem with the paste to regulate temperature. But we're not stopping there. Next up is installing the video card, essential for smooth graphics and gaming performance. And finally, adding cooling fans for extra airflow. Once everything is in place, it's time for the moment of truth. We'll turn it on, watch it power up, and admire our work. And just like that, done. Let's build this masterpiece together.